Adding alerts on your streams is a great way to show your appreciation to your subscribers and your viewers in general. To add customized alerts to your live streams on Twitch, here are the things you need to know. There are several methods to add alerts on your streams, but the most popular way is by using Open Broadcaster Software, or OBS, and Streamlabs. The good news is, both programs are free and they're easy to navigate. If you don't have OBS yet, then you can install it by typing in obsproject.com/download in your browser. You'll be immediately directed to the download page of OBS. Just follow the prompts for installing and wait for it to finish. Once it's done downloading, here's how to set it up and link it to your Twitch account. Open OBS Studio, then click on Settings from the bottom right menu. Next, click on Stream from the left margin of the window. From there, select Service, and click on Twitch from the drop-down menu. Then click on Connect Account. You may be prompted to log into your Twitch account. If so, simply put in your account details. Once you're done, click on Apply. Then click OK. Now it's time to access Streamlabs. Using your browser, go to streamlabs.com, then log in using your Twitch account. Follow the prompts and verification process. Once you're logged in, you may be offered a plan, but you can simply select the starter plan, which is free of charge. Next, go to Alert Box under the Stream Essentials section from the left menu. You can select themes if you'd like, and you can customize your alerts on the general settings. Once you're done, you can now click on the other tabs to further customize each alert. For example, you can customize the alerts for follows, subscriptions, donations, and so on. Next, navigate to the widget URL on the page and click on Copy. Then go back to the OBS client. On the Sources box, click on the plus icon, then select Browser. From here, you can name the alert whatever you wish, but we recommend naming it after its function. For example, we'll name this one Follower Alert, but it's entirely up to your preference. Once you're done, click on OK. Then paste the URL you copied from Streamlabs in the URL field. Next, adjust where the alert will display by dragging the preview on the screen. You can also adjust the width and height of the alert by dragging the red lines. Once you're done, click on OK. Now it's time to do some test alerts. Minimize your browser with the Streamlabs website open and position it just beside the OBS window. Next, still under the Alert Box menu, you can click on any test button to check the sample alerts. You'll get to preview how the alert will show up on your screen, and you can further customize the alerts if you wish. And there you have it. The next time you stream, you can use alerts to increase your engagement with your audience. Let us know how your stream goes in the comments down below. And make sure to click like and subscribe to watch more guides. Also, check out these other videos that we think you'll find helpful.